Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I have bought two opportunities for you. One from a top global tech and second one from a startup where skills matter more than your degree. And honestly, depending on your mindset, either one of these can completely change your career path. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's start with the first opportunity, and this one is from GE Vernova. They are hiring for the role of software engineering specialist, and this is for a 0 to 2 year of experience candidates, which means freshers and early professionals can apply. The role is based in Bangalore and this is a full time position. Now, coming to the eligibility, they clearly mention that you need a bachelor's degree in computer science or any STEM field, and in the education system, it's written BTech or BE in any specialization, and even postgraduates can apply. So, overall, if you are from a technical or engineering background, you are eligible. Now, let's understand what you will actually be doing here. Because this is not a normal coding job, you will be involved in the complete software development lifecycle, starting from understanding requirements, writing documentation, building features, and then maintaining applications in production. You will be working on systems across cloud, platforms, and applications, which means you will get exposure to multiple domains, not just one narrow stack. They expect you to have an understanding of how modern software is built, things like agile development, CI/CD pipelines, testing practices, and code quality standards. When it comes to the technical skills, they are looking for candidates who are comfortable with backend development using languages like C Sharp, .NET, or Python, and who understand how to build REST APIs and microservices based architecture. Along with that, you should also have basic knowledge of SQL and NoSQL databases and a general idea of DevOps concept and testing techniques like unit testing and integration testing. But here's the important part, they are not expecting you to be perfect. They want someone who can break down problems, think logically, write clean code, and continuously improve. They also value people who can understand the business side, meaning not just writing code but understanding why you are building something. Now coming to the salary, and this is why this role is very attractive. For freshers and early professionals, the compensation usually falls between 11 to 15 plus LPA, which is honestly a very good package. So if you want a stable, high-paying brand name company with strong learning, this is a great opportunity. Now let's move on to the second opportunity, and this one is completely different. This one is from Dzylo and they are hiring for the role of SDE1. It is based in Gurugram and it is for 0 to 3 year of experience candidates. Now here's where things get interesting. For this role in education, they clearly mention any graduate or any postgraduate, which means degree doesn't matter much here. What matter is can you build or not. And the company literally says this in their description box. They are not hiring resumes, they are hiring builders. So if you're someone who just follows tutorial, this is probably not for you. And if you are someone who actually builds projects, experiments, and enjoys coding, this is where you will thrive. In this role, you won't be just writing small features, you will be owning things like end to end, from idea to development to production and even customer impact. You will be working on real world systems in the interior design and building domain where problems are messy and unstructured, and your job is to turn them into clean and scalable systems. They expect you to be comfortable working with databases, system design basic, and at least one programming language, and more importantly, they expect ownership. No excuses, no waiting for instruction, you take responsibility and shape it. You will learn faster than most people, but only if you are ready to push yourself. It is based in Java and Spring. You should also know HTML, MySQL, Python, system design, JavaScript, Spring Boot, and on DevOps side, you should know Jenkins, AWS, and Git. And data structures and algorithms is also important for this role. Now, coming to the salary, it's around 5 to 5.5 LPA, which is decent for this role. Now the question is which one should you choose? If you want structured growth, strong brand value, and a stable high paying job, go for GE Vernova. And if you want ownership and fast learning in a startup environment and you believe in your skills more than your degree, Xylo is very interesting opportunity. And one thing is common in both, you need strong fundamentals in coding, problem solving, and real world understanding. Make sure to check out the application link in the description box. And if you want more such latest job updates, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.